Though I was not born here, this is where I currently call home. My family and I have lived here since 2009, and while I have a strong aversion to living in the city, Cowan Heights has served as a welcome buffer to the city life. Sitting on my deck on any given evening, I can hear the wailing of sirens and rumble of traffic, but it's distant and beyond that buffer. I feel safe, I feel at peace, I feel comfort. Countless trails snake their way throughout the landscape. An intertwining of urban life and the natural world beckons the most hesitant of residents. Paths are lined with an assortment of vegetation, while a little brook serenades with the soothing sound of trickling water to join in song with chattery ducks and singing birds. The community is one that is indeed a community. After any heavy snowfall, there will be the constant hum of snowblowers as they emerge from sheds and garages, neighbors pushing their machines across and up and down the street, helping each other clear away after the storm. Families come together to celebrate New Year's and enjoy fireworks in Kitty Gull Park. My dog might not enjoy it, but there is something magical about smiles glowing on children's faces as the sky lights them up with brilliant colors. This quiet, family-oriented neighborhood can be traced back to the 1970s. Homes are connected by a network of parks and trails that trace the area. It beholds significant green space with parks such as Kitty Gull Park and Cowan Park. These parks and trails are great for walking and cycling and are considered the heart of the neighborhood. As one of the larger established suburbs of St. John's, Cowan Heights is popular for those seeking a quieter, safer, greener residential area that is close enough to take advantage of what the city offers while maintaining that comfortable distance. I will not be in Cowan Heights forever. This is my current home, but it is not home for me. My home is Fox Cove in Bjorn, for that is where I was born and raised, and that is where my heart is. For now, I will continue to be grateful for living in Cowan Heights. It was a playground for my son growing up, between nerf battles in the woods, in Kitty Gull, and street hockey on Birmingham Street. There was plenty for him to do to keep busy and safe. So thank you, Cowan Heights, for what you have to offer a family. I shall cherish every walk by the duck pond I had with my dog. I will not forget neighbors helping neighbors. I will continue to be thankful for a peaceful and safe life, because so many are not so fortunate. So thank you, Cowan Heights. You are great.